Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. On this channel, we talk about everything hair care, strictly hair care, guys. So if you're interested in everything hair care, please subscribe to my channel and let's grow longer, thicker, and healthier hair together.
Falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel.
So with all that being said, in today's video, this is a updated video, guys, that you guys have requested from Silken me. All right, I did a video a few weeks back with the brand called Silken me, and this is like a luxury bonnet. You guys wanted to know if the bonnet really stays on your hair all night, on your head all night. So I decided to do another video. So today I am going to wrap my hair. It's actually night, it's pretty late. I just finished do a video for you guys. So my hair is freshly washed, freshly treated, wash, and a little flat iron, and I'm gonna wrap my hair to go to sleep now, and I'm gonna put the bonnet on, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and show you guys if it stay on or not, because you guys want living proof that the bonnet will stay on my head all night. So tomorrow I am going to come back on camera while I'm taking down my wrap and show you guys and let you guys know if the bonnet stay on all night, and show you guys if it stayed on all night. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and wrap my hair and get it ready to go to sleep. Also, if you're interested in buying the bonnet, everything will be in my description below. And also guys, you will get 30% off using the discount code that will be in my description below. So if you haven't seen the video that I already made for this bonnet from Silken me, I will also put the link in my description below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. All the information about the bonnet is on that video. So if you have any question, anything you need to know about the bonnet, is on that video. So go ahead and watch that video for all the information that you need and the little nitty-gritties. Okay, go ahead and watch that video. The link will be in my description below. Okay, and then you come back and watch this video, or you can watch this video and then go and watch that video, but make sure you make your purchase, okay? Because I've been using this bonnet every single night. Okay, so in that video I did pinkish color looking one. I think it was near to this color, really cute. Show you guys on the side. Today we are using the blue one. So guys, they have a variety of colors, and this is the blue one. Oh my god, it is, I just love feeling the material. This is a silk, and the material is so delicate. It feels so good. Oh my god. And listen, the last video I've been touching this thing like crazy. I'm not going to touch it today like crazy. Okay, stop it, Tamara, stop it. But anyways, this is the bonnet, and it's by Silken me. All right, so remember, everything will be in my description below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair, and I'm going to come back and put the bonnet on. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and give this video a like. Let me show off my hair first, because I'll be feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. My hair feel clean and flowy and nice, and I just want to show off and show you guys. Okay, so just watch. Okay, enough is enough, okay? So guys, I am back. My hair is wrapped. My hair is a little shelly, kind of. I don't really know how to describe it. So it was actually really hard to wrap and stay wrapped, because it was like so shelly. That's not the right word, but I don't know what word to use, but it's clean and everything, so maybe that's why, but it wasn't stay wrapping. All right, but I think it's not too bad now. But anyways, we are going to go ahead and put our bonnet on. Oh my god, I love the color. This color is so nice. Okay, so our bonnet is on, and I'm going to come back tomorrow and let you guys know if it stayed on, and let you just do the review tomorrow. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, good morning. So guys, this is the next day, and I am here to give you guys the big reveal. It's not really a big reveal, but to answer most of you guys' question. Okay, so I went to bed with my bonnet on. I haven't taken it off at all. I just put it on, went to sleep. It was kind of rough last night because my daughter woke up before, like very early this morning, so I had to go inside her room and like kind of like squish myself up into her crib. And then we were in her crib and she was twisting and turning, and I'm like hooking up in her crib, and I'm twisting and turning too because she's trying to, I don't know, do some karate things and stuff like that. And then I get out and lay on the side of her crib and fell asleep on top of her teddy bear. So it was a rough night, but we are here right now to do the reveal. So it is now, actually it's now afternoon, it's now after 12. I woke up pretty early, pretty late. I just finished making breakfast, fed her, bathed her, whatever, the morning routine stuff. So now I'm going to take a shower. So I'm going to do my reveal now and let you guys know if my hair, so we're going to check two things. We're checking if the bonnet stayed on my hair all night. Yes, it did. It didn't came off at all. Okay? No, nada. Only time sometime I would have to be like doing like this. Only thing I recall ever doing is like pulling the back down. That's it. The second thing we're going to check if my wrap is still wrapping. Okay, so let's go check if the wrap is still wrapping, because we wrapped her here last night. I want to make sure that it stay wrapped, all right, without need anything to tie it underneath the scarf, underneath the bonnet. So I did a tie it underneath the bonnet, as you guys saw that. So now we're going to check if it's still wrapping. So here we are. So I hope after this video we answer all the questions, and if you guys like what you see, please go ahead and place your order. Everything will be in my description below, the link, and you get money off. You get 30% off of your purchase, so make sure you go ahead and jump on that. All right, so here we are. I think it's safe to say that my hair is still wrapping, because it looks exactly how I wrapped it last night. Only like right here kind of flip a little, I'll say, but everything is still wrapping. It doesn't fall down. It's still wrapping. So I don't think there's any more proof. Okay, this new bonnet is the bomb. All right, I'm so glad I have two. I have the pink one, and this looks like, I don't even know what color this is, but this is actually like a kind of pretty sky blue, baby blue kind of thing going on. But I have two, and I'm so glad I have them, because these are what I'll be wearing. Okay, so yes guys, I hope this answers your question and you are comfortable enough to go ahead and buy your luxury bonnet. Okay, all right guys, so this is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in another video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and let's interact. Like this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my day, go about my business. I'm gonna take a shower and go about my business. Oh, one more thing. Thank you again for Silken me on sending over these amazing bonnets that I am like super excited about, and this is what I've been wearing. The one that I had before, I've been wearing it basically every night, and now I have two, so in one dirty I can use the other one. So yeah, but anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Silken me for sending over these amazing products. And guys, go ahead and purchase your bonnet before it's sold out, because trust me, you need this. I'll see you guys later.